If your Epic Games launcher is showing offline status or giving you a connection error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This is a common issue, and in many cases it comes down to a simple internet problem, a router issue, a VPN conflict, or just a temporary glitch on your PC. So, if you've been stuck unable to sign in, unable to connect, or the launcher keeps saying you're offline when you're clearly connected, stay with me and follow along carefully. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new tutorials go live. Alright, let's start with the first and most important step. Check your internet connection. Even if your Wi-Fi icon looks normal, Epic Games may still fail to connect if your network is unstable, slow, or briefly dropping packets in the background. The easiest thing to do first is restart your Wi-Fi or router. If you're on Wi-Fi, turn your router off, wait about 15 to 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. If you're using a modem and a router combo, do the same thing there as well. Once the internet comes back on, give it a minute to fully reconnect before testing Epic Games again. While the router is restarting, go ahead and close the Epic Games launcher completely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it's fully closed. You can do this by right-clicking the launcher in the taskbar and choosing Exit, or by using Task Manager if needed. This helps clear any stuck background session that may be holding the launcher in an offline state. Next, if you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games authentication and make the launcher think your connection is unstable or unavailable. Even if your VPN usually works fine, it's still worth disabling it while you test the launcher. A lot of connection problems disappear immediately after turning off the VPN, so this is a very important step. After that, restart your PC. This may sound basic, but it's one of the best ways to refresh network services, reset temporary app errors, and clear any cached login problems that Epic Games might be holding onto. When your computer starts back up, wait for all network indicators to fully settle, then open Epic Games Launcher again and check if the offline error is gone. If the launcher still shows offline status after those steps, try opening a website in your browser to confirm your internet is actually working normally. If websites load slowly or not at all, the issue is likely with your internet connection rather than Epic Games itself. In that case, you may need to reconnect to your network, switch from Wi-Fi to Ethernet if possible, or contact your internet provider if the connection keeps dropping. If everything else on your PC is working and only Epic Games is affected, then the issue may be temporary on Epic's side or related to a blocked connection on your device. In that case, waiting a few minutes and trying again can sometimes solve the issue. You can also try launching the app again after a fresh restart, since these connection errors often clear once the network and launcher have both been reset. So to quickly recap the fix, restart your Wi-Fi or router, fully close Epic Games Launcher, turn off your VPN, and restart your PC. Those 4 steps solve a lot of offline status and connection errors for Epic Games users, and they're the best place to begin before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.